What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to send money from Botim to Nepal. So, you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, in this case, sending money from Botim to Nepal is fairly easy. So, in this case, you want to go ahead and start by opening the Botim app on your smartphone. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account and that has the balance or link payment method you'll use for the transfer. Now, once you're logged in, look at the bottom or menu bar and basically just tap on either wallet or transfer. This is where all payment features are located, including local and international options. Now, from the transfer options, you want to choose international transfer. This feature lets you send money to people outside your country, including friends or family in Nepal. Now, enter the recipient's bank account details or their mobile wallet info in Nepal, whichever one they prefer. Make sure to enter the correct name, bank or wallet provider, and account or mobile number. Now, type in the amount of money you want to transfer. So, Botim will usually show you the exchange rate and how much the recipient will receive in NPR or Nepalese rupees. And next is, before confirming, carefully review all the details, including the recipient info, amount, and any transaction fees. This is your chance to make sure everything looks good and nothing is mistyped. Now, when everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the transfer, and the transfer will begin processing, and you can ask your recipient to check their account or wallet to see when the money actually arrives. If anything goes wrong, you can always contact Botim support for help. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.